Hi, my name's John. Welcome along to the channel, Just Do It Yourself. Over the next few weeks, months, possibly even years, we're going to be building a brand new bungalow. I hope you guys want to come along for the journey. We're going to go through initial purchase of the land, through initial drawings that I made, passed to my architect, the planning permission and the building warrant. Now we're building in Scotland. The planning permission and building warrants will be different throughout the United Kingdom and certainly throughout the world. So always check all your local codes before you follow my advice. Nothing special about me, I'm just a mechanic, trained in the motor trade for many years and built a couple of houses in the past. So, this is a new build, a bungalow this time, make it a bit simpler, getting older. It's about 150 square metres in total size. It's 2 bedroom, 2 bathroom, lounge, kitchen, dining room. A lot of glass in the house, the gable end of the house is glass, and basically 3 sides of the house is glass. So hopefully you'll enjoy the process. Hopefully you'll learn something along the way like I am. I'm a great believer that we can all do these things. There's nothing special about building a house. It can be very expensive if you're just employing a builder or a tradesman to do all the work. The key to my success on doing this is there is only one person building this house, and that's me. I will write checks for certain work, but overall most of the work that I do will be done by myself and checked by professionals and signed off by them. So let's get started. Why a new build? Why build at all? Why not just buy a new house from somebody else? Primarily finances. If you have the skill set to be able to build your own house, then why pay somebody else? If you've got the time, which I have the skill set, which hopefully you'll see by watching the video. That was the main goal. We looked at purchasing just a property to have as our home, but prices are quite expensive in the United Kingdom. So let's see if we can get something better for the same money. So that was my design brief. Try and build something fairly eco-friendly, don't affect the planet too much, and on a very, very tight budget. The plot of land came up by chance. I had noticed this plot many years ago. It's in my hometown and was very expensive at the time. So nobody was buying at that time. So it sat for years without anybody buying it. The owner was a previous house on the site, an old house built in the 1840s, 1850s. Unfortunately, it had to be demolished through to a subsidence issue. An old stone house, poor foundations or no foundations in most cases on these old houses, and the house ended up being demolished, and the site became available as a brownfield site. The beauty of brownfield sites is they usually have drainage, electrics and everything that you need close on hand. So if you are planning to do a build and buying a plot, you need to check out all the details. Electricity can be very expensive to bring to a property if there is no existing connections. Same with sewage and same with water supplies. All these combined, to increase the cost before you even start digging a hole. I was lucky that the site was more or less fully serviced. it was reflected in the price. The site itself had outline planning permission on it to build a new house, one house. So we knew within reason we would be able to build a house on the site. So we started the process. Hey, that's the end of this part of the video. Thanks for watching so far. I hope it's not been too boring for you. The next part is planning permission and building warrant. So if you want to follow along with that, follow on the next video. The ones after that will be more about the actual physical building of the plot and videos of all what goes on in doing that. So it won't be as much of me, it'll be more of the actual build. So hope you enjoyed it. Like and subscribe. See you on the next one. Thank you.